who is often referred to as Hakeem UL Ummat? Answer: Allama Muhammad Iqbal. In which field did Allama Iqbal gain prominence? Answer: Poetry and philosophy. Which famous poem did Allama Iqbal write later become Pakistan national anthem? Answer: लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी. Where was Allama Iqbal born? Sialkot. What is Allama Iqbal's most famous literary work, often considered his magnum opus? Answer: Bangi Dara. In what year did Allama Iqbal deliver his famous Allahabad address? Answer: 1930. What is Allama Iqbal's contribution to concept of Pakistan? Answer: He considered the spiritual father of Pakistan and ideology inspirational. Which educational institution did Allama Iqbal attend for higher study in Europe? Answer: Cambridge University and University of Manchester. What title did Allama Iqbal receive from the British Crown in 1922? Answer: Sir. What is the famous Persian work written by Allama Iqbal that discuss spiritual philosophy? Answer: Asrar-e-Khudi, Secret of the Self. What is the name of Allama Iqbal philosophical work in Urdu addressing revival the Muslim states? Answer: All India Muslim League. In which year did Allama Iqbal passed away? Answer: 1938. What title is often given to Allama Iqbal for his contribution to Urdu literature? Answer: Shair-e-Mashriq. Which famous couplet by Allama Iqbal emphasizes self-discovery and empowerment? खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. What is the name of Allama Iqbal residency in Lahore, which is now as museum? Answer: Iqbal House. What field did Allama Iqbal initially study at the Government College in Lahore? Answer: Philosophy. Who translated Allama Iqbal's poetry into English, making it accessible to a wider audience? Answer: Sir Muhammad Iqbal, translated by A.J. Arbery. What is Allama Iqbal's connection to their idea of Shaheen in his poetry? The Shaheen sembles a spiritually elevated and visionary individual in Iqbal's poetry. Which musical instrument did Allama Iqbal play professionally? Answer: Harmonium.